Alright, forgive me for the unbalance of the camera. I'm going to show you how to use the lotion bar, right? So, it comes in a tin can. Pop it out, right? First, this is mine. I use it all the time. I don't know how long I've had it, but it is. Now, this is the lavender rose in a heart. And the hibiscus, you still see that's in there. Pop that out. There you go. Now, here's your options. You can just do a light rub like that. See that? And that is enough for your entire hand. Ooh, you see that? That is enough for your entire hand. Now, you can put this on before you go and wash your hands, and then you'll still have some moisture, or you could do it after on damp hands. Now, other option two. Option two is you can take the bar, and then you can take it and then just rub it along your skin. Now, this is my portable one. The lotion bar, the big size one, is what you do at the shower. I have to get in the shower for that one. But you don't even need that much. See that? See that? And then you take that, and then you moisturize your skin. Make sure you get those elbows. Okay? You want to get those knuckles, those cuticles. I need a manicure. Get those in. I do sell cuticle oil as well. So I will take care of those nails as well. Here is our cuticle oil. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to use that in just a second. But that is the lotion bar in a snap. You need a little, wipe that there. There you go. Another option, okay? It works everywhere. You want to rub it. It's good for knuckles, good for this. Get those elbows and a snap. That's what this is about. So I figure you guys didn't know how to use it, and this is just on dry skin. You can use it on damp skin as well. You have to be gentle, baby. Gentle. You're not going hard with it. You're not smashing it. This one was about this thick. Then when you're done with it, you could take off. I'll tell you, if you follow me on the site and buy it, you can see what you can do when it gets down to this size, or what you do with it for other options as well that I can't show you. Excuse me, I'm live right now. Okay? Alright, and lips. Right now I'm not putting it on there because I don't want to get my fingers red. But lips, face, all of that. So this is good so I don't get sunburned while I'm out here in the sun. So I'm going to get a little bit of extra. I'm going to rub the bar right there on the back of my neck. Right there. So I don't want to get sunburned with that. So I'm going to make sure I put some of this bar right there on the back. And I'm just going to rub that in so I don't get any sunburn. And then I could do that to the other side as well. Now if I want, I could just take it and take it off my hand and do it that way. It's all up to you how you want to work it, right? But now I know I'm protected from the sun a little bit, especially if you know you didn't put on any sunscreen today because I didn't plan on coming out here. But that is how you use Herbal Fetish Natural Bodycare in the portable tin. We have family size and we have portable size. Get yours today or DM me to place your order. I'm doing a pop-up in Vegas too. Coming up. So go to herbalfetish.com. If we're out of stock, send me an email. Okay? Right now the portable tins are on back order, so I might have things in another type of container. But until then, we'll see. But I'm hoping to get those in soon. But DM me. Lotion bar. Herbal Fetish Natural Bodycare. Now, let's talk about this cuticle oil. One of those is the money stick. People think I'm crazy about the law of attraction, but I'm going to teach you about it and how to stay in alignment and how to work this. It's really just about faith and belief. It really is. Here was my gratitude journal on February 26th. I was grateful for the breath of life that permeates my cells to provide energy to my physical body. I'm grateful for my family and a solid relationship, loving and supportive. I'm grateful for all I have right now, for my ability and talent to produce money and gain more of what I desire. I'm grateful for what I have and the need to create what I want. I'm grateful for the earth elements, especially the sun. Look at that. Still am. And I'm grateful for the time to connect with my inner being in abundance. What? So, get you a journal. Start showing some gratitude for what you already have. Start acknowledging yourself for what you are and who you are and your accomplishment. And then start dreaming and visualizing your goals, but then stating it in the I am. This is how I lost, the beginning of how I lost the 400 pounds. It started like that, the 200 pounds. That's how it started. Now, I'm taking my lotion bar out of my skin. And now, I can use it wet, or I don't even have to use it because I have that going on. I can use it wet or damp. There. Remember, we don't rub, we pat. Alright, so say you're coming out of the bathroom, okay? So now I'm fresh out the bathroom. These are freshly washed hands. I'm getting back to the table with my girlfriends to have, whatever. So, you see my hands now. That's the shine from the inside. I can either do like that and do a swipe. I could do a swipe like that. You see I'm still using the bar. I can rub it in my hand and you get a light sheen. Okay? I wanted you to see the shine come on in person after just washing my hands. Okay. So now, let's see if I can get some of that sunlight so you can see some of that moisture. Okay? It's not greasy, but it's moisturized, so light sheen. Okay? I can take anything that's left over and go on my elbows with that, or anything like that. And as African Americans, what's your goal? It's not to have the dark elbows. Look at them pretty, crisp, clean elbows. Yeah, I'm checking out my shine today, thanks to Herbal Fetish Lotion Bar. Out the shower. Nice sunny day. Look at that. I have to teach you guys how to use my bars. Coming soon. How to use it when you're fresh out the shower. So you can have that right there. Thank you, Herbal Fetish. My skin is beautiful.